Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next.
Ayun, good day sa lahat. So, dito tayo ngayon, nag-fishing. So, i-review natin to. Ayan. Kuroshio Japan Quality High Response. Tapos, may pangalan dito, GT Special Popping 88 Extreme Heavy. Yung lure na kaya niya is 60 by 200 grams. Tapos, PE4 to PE10. Designed by Madmouse. So, ayan siya. So, isa siyang popping rod. So ang haba niya mga nasa 8.4 feet yung haba nito, at saka yung nilagay natin na reel ay Pioneer Altitude 8000 series, saka yung power niya nasa, kung di ako nagkakamali, nasa 28 kg yung kanyang drag max power. Tapos yung line natin nakalagay is PE, kung di ako nagkakamali, PE6. Tapos 60 pound yung main line. Tapos yung ating ano naman, yung ating leader line ay nasa, ayan, kung nakikita nyo, 100 pounds. Tapos yung lure natin is 60 grams na kulay red na may white. So at saka may split ring, and kung di ako nagkakamali, ano tawag dito, split ring, saka itong swivel na back to back yung kanyang twist. Ayan, tapos FG nut. So ayan, try natin dito. So ayan, tapos i-pop up nyo lang. Ayan, mag-cast tayo dito. Tignan natin kung gagana tong setup natin. Sheesh. So ayan, 0 tayo, walang strike dito. And ayan, so isang oras na tayo nagka-cast mula dito hanggang doon. Ang ganda ng tubig, okay naman yung weather, pero medyo low tide lang. Pero wala talagang strike dito. So next time sa ibang lugar naman tayo magta-try. So maraming naging isda doon, yung mga fisherman, kung nakikita nyo dyan, marami sila naging isda dito lang sa harap. So hindi ko alam kung ano mga isda dito, pero meron daw mga malalaki. Pero ngayon ay medyo low tide pa, siguro high tide mamaya pa ng hapon. So 10 AM na. So ito yung gears natin. Meron tayong mumurahing gloves. Ayan. So yung ang ating reel ay Pioneer Attitude 8000 series, 28 kilograms yung kanyang drag. Ito naman ay extreme heavy na Kuroshio GT Special Popping 88 extreme heavy. Lower weight niya ay 60 to 200 grams. Ang line niya na kaya ay 4 to 10 na number ng kanyang main line, designed by Mad Mouse and high response, and naka Fuji guides na siya lahat. So legit na legit yung kanyang carbon, mafe-feel mo dito, ayan, at nakikita mo talaga. So haba nito is 8.4. ayan, napakaganda ng plane ng kanyang kapag pinapopping, so ayan. Pero ngayon wala, 0 tayo dito sa spot na to. So yun lang sa video na to. Salamat sa pagpanood.